In previous lesson, we've created our top tabs component, and in this lesson, we're gonna build this meditation card component. So inside our code, let's just go to folders, and inside components folder, let's create a new file. Let's name it meditation card.tsx, and let's create a functional component using RNFES. I think we've typed meditation wrong. Let's just fix it, and let's fix it here as well in the name of component. Now, what we got here? We got here image background with a layer of it with a little bit dark color, and this live page and title and icon with text here also. So we got two texts, icon and a text here, and view and image background and dark overlay. First, let's start with rendering this image. So let's get any image from the internet for just testing. So here in internet, you can get any image that you want. It's just for testing. So let me select this image here. Let's select this image. So let's open it in a new tab and get the URL of it. Okay. Now let's go back to our code and render. Instead of this view, we're gonna render image background, and the source of this image is gonna be source. We're gonna just put it statically right now. URI, the link that I have copied. Okay, now let's render this card. So inside home screen, let's just render it statically right now, a single card, and let's continue styling. So this image has some styling. So we're gonna add style equals to styles.card, or let's make it image container, and let's add the styles for this image container down here. If you go back to Figma, now let's get the style of this card. We got here the height is 161 and the width 166. So the height as vertical scale 161 and the width as scale of 166. Now our image appears here. We got here border radius for this image 12. So let's add border radius, scale of 12. And we're gonna make the overflow hidden. So anything outside of this image is gonna be hidden. Now we are done with image container. Let's now add some styling for the image itself. So we're gonna add this property image style, and this is gonna be styles.image. So we're gonna define it here. Image, the width is gonna be 100%. The height is gonna be 100% as well. The resize mode, I'm gonna make it cover to cover all the space. And let's make the opacity 0.7, like this. Now I think we're done with the image, but we still need to add some overlay. And this overlay is very important, and I'm gonna show you why. Let's try to add this text. So inside our image background, we're gonna add a view. And inside this view, we're gonna add this text with meditations. And we want to make this text at the down here. So we're gonna add some styling to this view. We're gonna make it styles.card content. And we're gonna initialize this styles down here. So card content, we're gonna make the position absolute. The left is gonna be, we're gonna make it 0 and then add padding. So we can add here padding of 10, or let's make it, the bottom is 10 and the left, let's make it 10 as well. So left as scale of 10 and bottom scale of 10 as well. And for this text, we're gonna add this style. So style equals to styles.title. And we're gonna initialize it down here. The color is white, so color as white, FFF. You can get it from Figma here if you just double click on it. The color is white, and the size is 12, and it's semi-bold. So font size as 12, and font weight is semi-bold. Now look, because the color became white, it doesn't appear. So now let's add a dark overlay to our image here. So we're gonna just add a view. After this image background, we're gonna just add a view with self closing tag because we're not gonna add anything inside it. And we're gonna make style equals to styles dot overlay. So we're gonna put a dark overlay to this image. And inside this overlay, let's just fix the spelling error. Overlay. First thing, we're gonna just spread this style sheet dot absolute fill object. Style sheet dot absolute fill object. What is this absolute fill object? It's predefined style in React Native that looks like the position is absolute and left and right and top and bottom, all of them are zeros. It's to make the component fill its parent absolutely, meaning it will stretch to all four edges, top, bottom, right, and left. Okay? To cover all the component. Then we're gonna just add a background color. So background color, we're gonna make it RGBA 0, 0, because we want to add opacity 0, then 0.15 for the opacity. Now look, we've got here an overlay to the image, but we want to make it a little bit darker. Let's try to make it 40. Now our text seems to be appeared. Let's try to make it 60. I think let's make it 45. I think 45 is better, is a good one. Okay, let's continue add our another text, but first let's format our code. So format document to make our code looks better. Then let's add this another text here. But before we add this text, we need to add this icon also. So let's right click on this icon and press on copy as SVG and go to our website, SVG viewer, and open it and paste the code here. Then go to React Native, then copy the SVG icon here. Copy it and go to our icons and let's export this icon here. And let's just rename it. Let's make it video icon. We've learned this before. SVG props, and let's remove this line of code. Now our video icon. So let's inside this view, let's add another view. And inside it, we're gonna put our video icon. We got here an error. Identifier view has already declared. Let's try to make not duplicated imports because it makes an error. We got another error. Try to register two views with the same name. Let's try to reload our app. Now our icon appeared. We got here a warning. Each child in the list has a unique key. I know what is the issue with it. Remember our top tabs component. Let's go for it and add our touchable opacity a key. So key equals to, let's make it tab name like this. Now we fixed our issue. Now let's go back to our meditation card, and with this video we're gonna add this text with this title. So now let's add another text and let's make it with row direction. So inside this view we're gonna add style equals to Felix direction. We're gonna make it row like this, and also we're gonna center them vertically. So align items, center. Now for this text, just add this style, styles dot date text, and inside our date text we're gonna add the style for it. The date text is 12 and the color is white. So font size is a scale of 12 and color is white. And we just need to add some margin start here. So margin start, let's make it scale of, let's see how much, 7. So now we're done with the title and the date. we still have this page here. So let's implement it. So let's go up here and let's, after this overlay, let's add a view with this style equals to styles dot live page. And we're gonna add the styles for live page. The live page has height of 22 and width of 39 and border radius 90, and this the hex color of background. So let's go and initialize this style. So background color, this hex color, and the height vertical scale 22, and the width is a scale 39, and border radius is a scale of 90. Now let's save and see. And we want to make it at the top here. So it's position absolute, and it's the right of 10 and top of 7. So we're gonna make position absolute, top as vertical scale of 7, and right, what was it? 10, right? Scale of 10. Now let's see. Now look, it's in the good place. Now let's just add inside it the text, and inside this text we're gonna just type live like this. And the style for this text, the color is white, the font size is 11, and the font weight is semi-bold. So let's give it some style here. So style equals to styles.live text. And down here, we're gonna initialize it. Font size as scale of 11. Font weight as semi-bold. Color is white. Now let's see. Looks good, but we just need to center it. So we're gonna go to live page container and add justify content, center, and align items, center as well, like this. Now we're done with our component. We just still need to replace this text with props and also the image.